Hello. So, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this vlog is officially the first episode of Vlogmas 2024 and probably the last because I was way too lazy to film earlier this month, and now here we are. It's December 24 and today it's already 8:49 a.m. and we're leaving at 11 because we're not gonna celebrate Christmas in this house. For now, I'm gonna do a get ready with me because I need to get ready and to pack my things because we're leaving at 11 nga. Hello, titignan namin kung dinig nyo kami. Hi. Haha. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa resort. Oo nga. Ngayon papakilala ko sa inyo si Andre. Ayaw niya mag-hi. Tignan niyo yung ano namin. Tignan niyo yung nails ko. Ang ganda. At 2 p.m. Because she ordered puto. Guys, I'm wearing my top and skirt. So, today we're going to the resort. Nasaan yung phone mo? Akala ko na samsam. So, guys, look at how many people here to get the pamasko.
Wow! To me. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda ng tripod.
So, we're going to Los Baños. Diba? Yeah. To the resort.
Oh. Los Baños? What's that?
That's where the resort is. Remember?
Lost toilets?
No.
What's Los Baños?
I was telling Nadia we're going to Los Baños. She said, "You mean lost toilets?" Banyo. Yeah.
We call it banyo. Toilet.
Banyo.
And they are all the
Hot spring capital. Okay. And Stephanie here. Do you guys know who is his husband? His name is Rodolfo. Just like the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Red-Nose.
Good job. So guys, I clip my microphone sa nails ko. Double purpose. So cute. And I'm so pretty.
Magaling na ako ngayon.
Ano? 2024 new me. Tep. Anong regalo mo sa akin? Wala. Wala palang regalo to eh. Bumaba ka na. Joke lang. Ang regalo ko kay Stephanie, ano? Paano mo nalaman?
Ikaw nagbalot nun sa harapan ko eh.
Ay, sayang. Kala ko pa naman surprise.
They lack people, Santa Cruz. But Santa Cruz is the capital of Laguna, but they are still not city.
Guys, we're at Dali. We're buying some chips. Hello! Kakain kami. Ano? ASMR.
Nasa Kalawan pa lang.
Alam nyo ba?
Tapos nagkainan na.
Ang laban
Ang dami nilang binili.
kakaalis lang namin sa bahay.
Yan yun na siya, yan na siya.
Cheese. Sarap.
Akin na yan.
Masarap na yun.
Sarap.
Masarap.
Manya. Ay!
Sarado ba nila yung likod?
Nag-start ng 2020.
Sarap ng cheese.
Puro
alak
alak
daw
yung tinda.
Good thing we found that guy.
Kapag naaalala mo ang mga
There's no
araw.
problem with the rain. It will not shrink and that's fine.
Nag-ano ka na, Delight?
Saan kaya?
I will get the bag. I'm gonna use my microphone later, so yung
Bag mo.
dinig niyo ba ako or dapat mag-mic ako? Pero nandito na kami sa resort. Dinig niyo ba ako?
Copious sunsets make me forget 5 years, no fear. I see you in a Cadillac. I don't think this can become a better day. I don't wanna wait forever, trying to let it slip and go. I know you deserve way better. Left the voicemail, let me know. She just
Hi everyone! So, we're here! We're here! Kanin daw si Aaron.
Picture mo ka. Isa mo yung picture ko.
Selfie tayo. Nasaan na daw ba sila? Nakaliko
Baka
na
si Mama
kami,
to, ah.
traffic eh.
Si mama kaya to? Ah, hindi.
Dadalhin niyo yun sa Timyas, di ba?
Oo.
Yan yung foil.
Oo.
Ayan nga yung sabi ko nga.
Akala ko yung full na ano eh, na wrap.
Hindi, yung sabi ko nga yung dadalhin nila natin sa Timyas. Sabi ko sana
Akala ko yung
nilipat
full
nila.
na ano.
Tapos sabi ko, ay gagamitin nga pala yun sa Timyas. 8 kami.
8 kayo? Okay.
Ay, tas kumanta na tayong happy birthday. Kian.
Sumunod mo ako para dire-diretso na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
So let me prove to you I am that I could be a man, that I could be your only one.
Hindi ko alam kung gagamit pa ako ng mic, pero dinig niyo naman ako, di ba? Pakita ko sa inyo yung view. Ay, wag niyo napansinin yung sinampay. Yan. Oops. Naulan. Pero ayan yung view dito pag nasa taas ka. Papakita ko sa inyo dito. Dito meron dito tatlong na room. Dito yung unang room. Kala tita, tapos yung room namin sa kala lola. Mamaya na lang siguro ako gamit ng mic. Ngayon pupunta tayo sa mga dito. Sa mga nagsiswimming. Ayan sila. Tignan niyo yung mga nagsiswimming. Mag-hi daw sila sa inyo. Tignan nyo yung mga nagsiswimming dito. Ayan sila. Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? Cause I've been filming since the moment we stepped in this resort. But when I watched the video, it doesn't even have a sound. Even yung sound ng wind, hindi nyo maririnig. So, ayun nga. All the clips that I filmed, wala siyang sound. And I hope this time, may sound na siya. And I'm gonna kwento na lang what happened. So, we're here at the resort and this is our first time not celebrating Christmas at home. And later guys, I will show you our family fit for this year. Last year, this is our Christmas outfit. And later, papakita ko sa inyo yun kung ano yung outfit namin. And it's so cold kasi it's raining. As you can see, it's raining. But it's good na yung resort na to is hot spring because we're in Los Baños. Our theme this year is, I don't know, nagbuy lang talaga ng outfit. Pero it's like, it has this Christmas tatak. Alam nyo ba? I got this watch. It's a smartwatch.